Very nice. Cool. Can you draw a J? A J for James? Oh, yeah. Can you draw Grammy? Oh, she is beautiful. Okay, Daddy.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one. How about me? Oh,
Why don't you
yeah.
Show Mama right here. Show Mama right there.
Oh, I look good. I look good.
Good job. Good job.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Did you say thank you, Santa? Thank you, Santa.
We hung Santa's key on the door, by the way.
Okay. Oh, okay. Just in case you want to come back.
That's on the inside. You want me to clap too?
Yay! Clap, Daddy. Oh, you have chalk in your hand.
Get.
That's where the trap goes. Yeah.
You want to put more in there?
Yeah. Yeah.
What color is that one? I don't know. Here, draw on it. Let's see. It looks like it's another pink. You want to get another color?
It's a different color.
Oh, it's like a white. It's a white? Yay! You're going around in circles, aren't you? Okay.
You want to keep going? There's lots more presents.
These are all for you.
No.
You must have been a very good boy this year. Were you a good boy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put your chalk in the tray. Put it in the tray.
I'll put it here.
That's the tray.
Good job.
That's where the chalk will go. You did so good.
Let's keep opening. We'll put this right here, okay? Look at that one.
Okay. Here, let me give this to you.
Oh, you want to open this one first?
Gege.
Open it up.
Gege.
What is it?
Gege. Gege.
Open it.
Open it. It says to James from Santa. Wow.
What do you think? Uh-oh. What do you think? Look, this was from Santa. Santa.
No.
Yeah, he did. Look at this. Wow, is that a dump truck?
Yeah.
What kind of truck is that? We need to go to the stocking. Beep, beep. Woo.
Oh, no, it doesn't say that. It goes honk, honk.